Camp Coral episode 2, everybody. First sees cabin dinghy consisting of SpongeBob, Patrick, and Sandy for some weird reason. Having all of Camp Coral's candy stolen by these two narwhals, Norleen and her kid brother Nobby. And basically, guys, the reason that all of Camp Coral's candy has been stolen is because so that Norleen and Nobby can basically play a con artist trick on Mr. Krabs and get their very extended family some new nice clothes to wear. But anyway, the candy is stolen to create this stuff called sugar squeeze, which basically makes anybody except for not only anybody that drinks it super hyper, which basically puts coffee to shame, and once everybody drinks it ruins the peace that Camp Master Krabs and Counselors Squidward are having. So after unleashing pure chaos, Narlene and Nobby basically con Mr. Krabs into giving away some of the camp's clothes for the cure of sugar squeeze, unsqueeze, and basically Mr. Krabs uses this weird machine to basically pump the sugar squeeze out of everybody. And then the second episode, Squidward basically tells SpongeBob, Patrick, and Sandy to play quietly. But then it starts to rain, so they're forced to play a game of tag indoors, except when they get carried away with it, they basically create even more chaos around camp, trying to create the ultimate game of tag, and even to the point where they make Larry's cabin, who Counselor Larry is trying to get them to exercise their brain muscles for once, get interrupted by Kevin Dingy's extreme game of tag, to the point where it's so severe that Mr. Krabs tries to get them to watch Pearl, but Pearl, just being a baby, actually makes the ultimate game of tag even more extreme, to the point where to where it finally does stop raining and everybody in the camp goes swimming. But now they've even got Mr. Krabs and Squidward into the act of tag.